Yo, so I snore. And I'm tired of people acting like I do that shit on purpose. Sorry I almost die 150 times a night. My bad. Just wake you up to be violent. Hey, wake up, man. You snoring. Yeah, man, it's a good thing you woke up or I was gonna put this pillow over your face. I'm sorry, what? That seemed like an escalation, fam. And I get it, people like they sleep. But at least lie and say you was worried and that's why you woke me up. People be weird with noises. Like if you hear an unfamiliar noise in your house, you will stalk your house like a leopard for hours. Dibby dibby whoop. My house don't make that noise.